Alright, so this is ELZAPP device. This is Hulda Clark type of frequency generator, type of zapper machine. You can see there is a output for 3.5 millimeters jack, which is here connected to the cylinder electrodes. There is a socket for the USB charger cable, or if you want to connect with the computer to upload or change any frequencies. And here you can see the micro SD card, very small, but there is a 8 gigahertz 8 gigabytes of memory, which is almost unlimited for all purposes. And this is the switch button that you will use to switch on the device, and or if you want to just switch off the screen to save the battery. So now I switch it on to use the device, and now we can go through the parts of the operation, how to operate this device very easily, because it's very user-friendly device. Good. So there is database. So we can choose any database we already have on the SD card. So if I click on this button, I can see all the databases already on the card. I have some special database, I have database just for aflatoxin, I have some power database, and this is a CAFL in English, which is a very big database. It has about 1,500 programs with a lot of other sub-programs. So to be easy, I will choose just the PowerSig, which is database with 6 sub-programs. So if I click on program, then I see these 6 programs: adenovirus, aflatoxin, alpha streptococcus, beta streptococcus, and then I can see the beta streptococcus, Candida albicans, chlamydia pneumonia, chlamydia trachomatis. Some of them can have only one frequency, one subprogram. Some of them can have 2. We can just choose this one. You can see this is only one subprogram. That means that there's only one frequency or one frequency range. This is not the fixed frequency. This is the frequency range. That means there is where the frequency starts, when the frequency stops, and this starts at 379 kilohertz and it will finish at 384 kilohertz. It will take 30 minutes and output will go at 10 volts. You can choose it. We will show later. So if I want to change any other program, I can go to, for example, Candida, and you can see that there is 2 subprograms. If I click on this, I can see both. I can choose start from the first one and then we'll go to the second one, or I can choose just start from the second one or third one or whatever. Okay, and now I will choose another database, for example database for aflatoxin, which is a very special toxin which makes big problems to your. There is very dangerous toxin. So you can see that there is 11 subprograms. If I click on it, you can see all these subprograms, and now if I run this, it will start from the first frequency, which is which starts at 391 kilohertz and will finish at 394 kilohertz. And you can see that if I press the start button, it asks me to connect it to the load. So now I will use this socket and I will put the 3.5 jack inside, and now I have to connect the load. Okay, so now it shows me remaining time for the first frequency, which takes 9 minutes 25 seconds now. If I click on this information, then I will change the time from the current frequency to the total time. So I know I see that this program for aflatoxin will takes 1 hour and 50 minutes roughly, So yeah, if I want to get it back for the current frequency, I just click on it one more time. If I want to pause it, then I can pause it. Then I can take a glass of water or whatever, make a phone call, and if I want to continue, I press the start and it will continue with the program. So this is a very easy way how to operate this device and how to choose frequency or database. And if you want to for example, I will stop it now. If you want to save the battery, you just click on this power button once, and you will see that then the screen goes off and you will save the battery, and the program is still running if it's running. And if you click it one more time, you just see. So by very short click, you will not switch off the device. If you want to switch off the device, you have to hold this power button for a while, and it will make special sound. It will do a short vibration, and now it's switched off. Yeah, so that's it.